How to add photos to Amazon Photos. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add photos to Amazon Photos app. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to install the application Amazon Photos on your device. So for that, you'll have to open Google Play Store or App Store on your device. Alright, so simply from there you'll have to search for Amazon Photos, and from there you'll have to install the application on your device. So after you installed it, you'll have to just open that application. Alright, so after you open it, you'll have to sign in with your Amazon account. Alright, so after you log in with your account on Amazon Photos, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner. Alright, so simply from here, tap on settings just at the top right corner. Okay, so from the settings section, you'll have to go the option upload photos manually. Alright, so simply now from here you can choose the picture whom you want to add on the Amazon Photos. So simply select it and tap on the upload option just at the top right corner. Okay, so in this way you can also upload the photos on Amazon Photos app. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.